Hi guys, today I received this error message on WhatsApp. This version of WhatsApp is too old and no longer. So if you have received this type of message, so first of all you should have to tap on the message, and after that simply tap on download option. After that you will be redirected to your Google Play Store or App Gallery if you are using a Huawei phone, or App Store if you are using iPhone or iOS. So I'm opening Play Store. Now I will update my WhatsApp application so that I restart using the WhatsApp with new version, new or updated version. Now it is updating. Now I am tapping on open button. Now you can see my WhatsApp application is working properly. So that's the method. I hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.